This video is sponsored by Surfshark VPN. At the end of this video, I'll show you how to surf the web without a trace. Hey guys, Sak here from SAKITECH, and in today's video we have even more good news about the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 and the Note 10 Plus. And of course, as you know by now, my main focus is going to be on the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus, the phone I think most people, including myself, are going to be getting, or the smaller Note 10 version. Now, we have had some amazing news regarding these smartphones. We now know that both of these smartphones are going to be running Snapdragon 855 Plus processor. And of course, the larger Note 10 Pro or the Plus is going to have a micro SD expansion slot that is going to make a lot of people very happy, despite the fact that the headphone jack on both phones is gone. However, we have one more good news. Now, this news comes from Let's Go Digital, and it is in regards to the camera improvements we will most likely see on the Note smartphones. Now remember, the camera is a massive pillar that makes a phone great or not so great. So we expect a flagship phone to have an amazing camera. And of course, the S10 and the S10 Plus and the S10e, they do have amazing cameras, but the Note 10 is going to be improving even beyond that. So basically, Samsung filed for a bunch of trademarks in Europe, and the key words from these trademarks, according to Let's Go Digital, was the smart ISO and of course AI ISO. So what's happening here is Samsung is intending to improve the ISO sensitivity of the camera that's built in to the Note 10 to give us an amazing night mode functionality. Now remember, there are some phones out there that do have amazing night mode functions, such as the Pixel, even the S10 and the S10 Plus. They do an amazing job capturing nighttime photos even when there is a minimum light in the area. However, nothing comes close to the Huawei P30 Pro that is almost able to see in the dark, and they actually used a similar ISO trick to make that happen. The Huawei P30 Pro is able to see literally in the dark with minimum light in the area. So the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 with this smart ISO and AI ISO functionality is most likely going to follow in the footsteps of the Huawei P30 Pro, bringing us an amazing night mode. And remember, from the previous leaks, we also know that the front-facing camera of the Note 10 and the Note 10 Pro might in fact have night mode as well. Now we know we've got the best processor on the market in the Note 10, the 855 Plus. We've got the micro SD expansion that is going to be staying with the Note 10 Pro. And of course, we've got this amazing camera enhancements bringing us top-notch night mode. Better than what you're going to see on the S10, better than what you're going to see on the Pixel. So this is going to be amazing, okay? So if you do have any questions, comments, or concerns, drop them down below and let me know. Now real quick guys, I know we all love the internet, but everyone is basically tracking everything you're looking at online, including your service provider. Now with Surfshark VPN, your location and your connection can be completely hidden and secured with a military-grade encryption, so you can surf the internet no matter where you are, at home or using a public Wi-Fi outside. So if you care about your privacy and your security, grab Surfshark VPN. Now it's so secure, it even allows you to trick the system to make it look like you're actually browsing the web from a different country, even if you were based in the United States. So basically you become untraceable and hack-proof. Now this trick also allows you to unlock content that might be blocked in your country. Alright, so if you go to surfshark.deals/SAKITECH, you will get a massive 83% off plus 1 month free service. And of course, you've got nothing to lose because it does come with 30-day money-back guarantee. So make sure to use the link down below, surfshark.deals/SAKITECH. Alright.